Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say it with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making cheesecake sugar cookie cups with fresh fruit on top. The ingredients that we're going to need today, you're going to need a 24.3 ounce container of Philadelphia cheesecake no-bake cheesecake filling. I'm using blueberries. You can use the fruit of your choice and make sure you wash it thoroughly. And also a package of the Pillsbury sugar cookie dough. You can now set your oven to 350 degrees. As you can see, I have a mini muffin pan. I lightly sprayed it with baker's joy. So now all we're going to do is place our cookie dough inside of each tin. You don't have to roll your cookie dough. You can just go ahead and place it inside of the muffin tin. The package says to bake 13 to 17 minutes, but you may want to keep an eye on them. Once they start turning lightly brown, they're done. Okay guys, once they're done and out the oven, I'm just taking a measuring spoon and we're just going to press down in the center of each one of them. Next, I'm just going to remove them and place them onto a wire rack so they can cool off completely. You want to give them about 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. Once your sugar cookie cups are cooled off completely, you want to set them to the side. Now we're going to get a piping bag. You want to put a tip on it and we're going to fill it up with our cheesecake filling. Once you have your piping bag filled, you can go ahead and fill up our sugar cookie cups. Now we're going to place our blueberries on top. Okay guys, so here we have them, our cheesecake sugar cookie cups with fresh fruit. These are great for the holidays or any time really, and they taste amazing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?